This is Dooley out running without a leash because we're going to the park. Yay! Come on, we're going to the park. Uh-oh. Thank you. Uh-oh. Stay nearby. Good boy. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. Stay by me. I know. First time out this summer. Got to pee on a tree. Didn't take enough time. Stop. And there's my happy dog. Are you a happy boy? Been a long time inside this winter. Oh, good job. Okay. How about you sit and rest for a minute? Yeah, that's a lot of breathing. That's a very good boy. Are you having fun, Dooley? Is this fun? Huh? Is it fun? What does a fun dog do? Jump. Jump. Back up. Good rest. How you doing? Huh? How you doing? Oh, you're looking pretty good. But I'm going over there. Yahoo! How about way high, not far? High up. And that's a tired dog. Let's go home, dude. Good boy. Thank you. Good boy. Let's go get a drink of water. Stay with me, dude. Come here. Side. Good side. Come on, come on, come on. Don't make me run into you. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. That's good. Stay with me. Good boy. Oh, come on. We'll go find some water at home. Thirsty, huh? And waiting for me in the driveway. You are awesome. I love my dog. I love my dog. I love my dog.